I love you, Charlie. I love you. I love you. Say the words, Charlie. I love you. Say, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Charlie? What's up? Shall Mummy go and get a cup of coffee? Hey? What do you reckon? That's how I feel, Charlie. It's kind of a bit of a... But we'll rise and shine. We'll rise and shine, experience the divine while acting sublime, even though we're running out of time. Look at you. Are you cute? He says, Mummy, you're so melodramatic lately. Pull it together, Mama, because I'm your mummy's loving birdie man. Mummy's loving birdie man. I know, right? He says, you're stressing me out and I'm a birdie. My nerves can't take it. Look, I'm pulling out all my feathers. No, he pulls those out anyway. I'm joking. Yes, even my birdie suffers from severe neurotic behaviours and self-harming. Yes, but Mummy only self-harms when she eats fish and chips, really, because she's an idiot and she can. Now she will pay and pay and pay. Look at you. What do you see? Oh, Charlie, we haven't had a visit from the king parrot lately. Where's our king parrot? Where is the king for Mama's queen? Where is he? He says, you're looking at him, stupid. He's right in front of your face. He's a bit weird. He's missing quite a few feathers, but he's right in front of your face. Love the one you're with. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Handsome boy. Kissy, 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 kissy. No tongue. No tongue. He says, but why? Why? Kissy, kissy, kissy. Love you. Are you my boy? Are you my boy? Are you my boy? So it's another day in paradise. I'm sitting in my garden with my bird, as you can see. Enjoying life, as you can see. To those of you, some of you, that must really piss you off, but that's okay. I'm going to keep enjoying my life. Yes, Charlie. We're going to keep enjoying our life. We have only got one. Might as well make each moment precious. Keep it precious, my love. Keep it precious. Yes? Only fools and knaves would have desecrated my love the way they have done recently. Fools and knaves, Charlie. That's okay, we know what's real, don't we, baby? We do. Can you say what's up? What's up? What's up? Go on, you said it before. That's why I started videoing you, because you said what's up. Look, say hello to the people, Charlie. Say hello Say, what's up? What's up? What's up from Sacred Space? You're thinking about something, Charlie. You have a message for the humans. What is your message? Eat, Pray, Love. And I found that book utterly boring, actually. I've read a lot of spiritual books, and that was a little bit boring. It really was. But anyway, maybe I wasn't in the right headspace at the time. I tell you what's a very good book to read, believe it or not. Dan Millman's, was it Dan Millman? Somebody Millman, The Way of the Peaceful Warrior. That was a good book. Yes, I actually lived some of that dream. Not the jogging into the mountains for kilometres and kilometres and kilometres. That would have killed me. But metaphorically leaping on top of tall buildings with fiddlers on the roof. We've lived that dream, haven't we, with the dibbock on the roof? The dibbock on the roof and the fiddlers on the roof. What do you reckon, Charlie? He says, don't worry, Mummy, I chase all the dibbokim away. No dibbokims allowed here. Oh, he's going walkabout now. Where are you going, Charlie? Okay, bye-bye. I guess this interview is now officially over.